Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the day two of Speaking Skill Task 3 of Lawlicious Virtual Internship. Today, I, Vivek Dixit, founder of Lawlicious Committee, welcomes you all on this session. First of all, we have an Vasika Nanka to present their topic. We welcome Vasika Nanka in this virtual internship and hand over the mic to Vasika Nanka. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Wasilananka Naison Kandem, a
Wait,
BAL.
sorry for the interruption, Vasika Nanka. Please turn on your cameras also, if possible. If there is any emergency or any type of issue, then you can tell us. Thank you.
Oh, so like, where am I right now? Like, I can't turn on the camera.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Thank you, Sam. My name is Wasilananka Naison Kandem, a BALB student at Kapotas University. So, my topic today, I want to briefly explore a question that's like is stirring debate across the legal world. So, the question goes like, is AI in legal practice a threat or it's a tool? Let's start with the threat. AI challenging the traditional structure of the legal profession. It can analyze documents, draft contracts, and even predict case outcomes faster than any junior associate. That raises a real concern. So some people may ask, will AI replace lawyers? Here is the truth. It's a no. AI lacks human judgment and ethical reasoning. It doesn't understand context the way a legal mind does. So rather than replacing lawyers, AI is shaping how we work. Now, let's talk about AI as a tool. Imagine being able to scan thousands of case laws in seconds. Imagine drafting documents more efficiently, leaving more time on strategy and client core. AI enhances productivity, reduces error, and it saves time. So the key is not to fear AI, but to learn it, regulate it, and use it wisely. In conclusion, AI is not the enemy, it's the assistant in the hands of a skilled ethical lawyer. AI becomes a powerful tool, not a threat. Thank you.
Mohammed Qasim. Next participant, Mohammed Qasim.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Muhammad Qasim, a student of BALLB fourth year at Muhammad Ali Johar University. Today I am delivering my presentation on topic refugee crisis and legal challenges. The refugee crisis is one of the most pressing global challenges of our time, with over 100 million people displaced due to war, persecution, and climate disasters. These individuals flee in search of safety and dignity, often leaving behind everything they know. Conflict in regions like Syria, Ukraine, and Sudan, along with the ethnic and religious persecution and the impact of climate change, have forced people to abandon their homes. International laws such as 1951 Refugee Convention established the right of refugees and responsibilities of host nations, including the principle of non-refoulement, which prohibits returning refugees to places of danger. However, legal challenges persist. Refugees faces inconsistent laws across countries, lengthy procedures, lack of proper documentation, and the risk of statelessness, particularly for children born in displacement campuses. Addressing this crisis requires stronger global cooperation, simplified legal processes, expanded legal aid, and action on the root cause of displacement. Ultimately, the refugee issue is not just a legal or political matter, it is a moral one. These individuals do not seek charity but the chance of rebuild their lives with fairness, safety, and opportunity. Thank you everyone for hearing me.
Next participant, Prerna Khundia.
Yes, good evening. Today I'm here to speak on a very important and related topic is freedom of speech, which is a right or a responsibility. Freedom of speech is one of the most powerful rights that we enjoy citizen of the democratic country. In India, it is protected under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution. The right allows us to express our ideas, opinions, and beliefs and criticism without fear. But freedom does not mean saying anything without thinking. Our Constitution itself puts reasonable restrictions. These rights under Article 19(2). This includes limits to prevent hate speech, defamation, threats to national security, and speech that may harm public order or decency. However, freedom of speech is not absolute. The Constitution under Article 19(2) allows the state to impose reasonable restrictions on this freedom in specific cases. These restrictions apply when speech threats the sovereignty and integrity of India, public order, morality, defames other, or incites violence or hatred. This shows that along with being a right, freedom of speech also carries responsibility. With misuse of this freedom, such as spreading fake news, hate speech, or offensive remarks, or religion or caste, can lead to serious consequences. In today's digital age, where social media spreads messages instantly, the impact of irresponsible speech is even greater. Courts have respectively reminded us that speech must be respectable and within legal and moral limits. In a case, this Real Singer versus Union of India 2015 case, the Supreme Court upheld the right to free speech but also stressed that it should not be vulgar, threatening, or harmful. Freedom of speech is both a right and responsibility. It must be protected to keep democracy alive, but it must also be exercised wisely. The true value of this right is realized when it is used to promoting justice, truth, and public welfare, not to harm others or disturb peace. Therefore, every citizen must use this freedom thoughtfully, understanding that their words have power and consequences. Thank you.
Aparna, do you want to present anything?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to present any topic?
So actually, I was busy. I didn't prepare anything. Next time, surely I will be
Yeah,
do.
it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Then no one is left. I think Romesh Kumar is absent. First of all, I want to say that how many of you drafted an legal notice under Section 138 of NI Negotiable Instrument Act 1881? All of you have drafted. Well,
Yes,
तो
sir.
शायद आप सभी लोगों ने एक ही चीज की है जो नहीं करना चाहिए था. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपने देखा जो ड्राफ्ट का फॉर्मेट आपको भेजा गया था उसमें आपकी जो डेट मेंशन थी 2023 की थी एंड आप सभी लोगों ने जो भी किया हो पता नहीं किस वेबसाइट से आपने उसको पीडीएफ से वर्ड में कन्वर्ट करके आपने बस नेम चेंज किया है एंड एड्रेस. मैंने ये चेक किया आप लोगों का सारे जितने भी हमारे पास पीडीएफ आए टास्क सबमिशन हुए हैं उसमें ये देखा गया कि बस डेट चेंज हुई है. कुछ जगह तो एड्रेस भी सेम है एंड ऑल द थिंग्स व्हिच वर मेंशन्ड ऑलरेडी इन अ गिवन ड्राफ्ट. Only the name of the advocate can be changed, or elsewhere the address also be same as given in the draft copy. Is this okay or formalities done by all of you or a task for your legal enhancement of legal knowledge and drafting? The legal notice submitted by all of you is not only any ordinary task which be a drafting task for your benefit, not for us or Team Lawlicious, because the you can use your name or any facts. Also, it was told to you by our convener, host, and Isra Khan. इसरा ने भी बताया था कि आप लोग अपने आप से भी कोई फैक्ट यूज कर सकते हैं. वो केवल आपकी ड्राफ्टिंग को अच्छी करने के लिए टास्क था ना कि हमारा कोई उससे बेनिफिट था. मैं वो आपको सीखने के लिए ही दिया गया था लेकिन आप लोगों ने वो उसी टास्क को सर्टिफिकेट या जो भी हो आप लोगों के माइंड में वो किया है. अब नेक्स्ट टास्क आपका डाइवोर्स पिटीशन है जो शायद ट्यूसडे को क्लास होगी उसकी. थोड़ा अटेंटिव रहिएगा, क्वेश्चंस भी करिए क्योंकि सर शायद सर का ये फर्स्ट इंटर्नशिप बैच है, तो थोड़ा अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन भी नहीं कर पाते, तो आप लोग क्वेरी करिए सर से कि सर यहाँ पर क्या रहेगा, ये यहाँ पर क्यों मेंशन है। लास्ट बैच जो हमारा था उसमें बहुत से अटेंटिव स्टूडेंट्स थे, दे क्वेश्चन लॉट ऑफ क्वेरीज एंड हेवन, जो हमारे इंटर्नशिप कोऑर्डिनेटर थे वो भी परेशान हो गए थे, कितने क्वेश्चंस कर कैसे रहे हैं बच्चे, क्योंकि उन लोगों ने टॉपिक पहले से पढ़ लिया था। तो ये आप लोगों से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, जो भी टास्क ड्राफ्ट के हैं वो अच्छे से पढ़िए, और एक बार आप एटलीस्ट टॉपिक जो आपको बता दिया जाता है, इसीलिए शेड्यूल आपको फर्स्ट डे ही प्रोवाइड कर दिया गया था, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग क्लासेस रहती हैं। एक्चुअली बैच हमारे पास 2 चल रहे हैं, 2 बैच हैं इंटर्नशिप के, सो ड्राफ्टिंग के टास्क दोनों एक ही दिन हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे सर जो सर हैं वो भी यूनिवर्सिटी में असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर हैं एंड ड्राफ्टिंग का कोर्स भी कराते हैं, तो इसीलिए थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है। बाकी कोई दिक्कत आती किसी को भी कहीं भी, नोट्स, सिलेबस, कोई भी ड्राफ्ट, कहीं भी किसी प्रैक्टिस करने जाते हैं, इंटर्नशिप करने जाते हैं, वहां कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम आती है, यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट अस, टीम लॉलिशियस हेल्प करेगी आपका। बाकी अगर किसी को कोई क्वेरी या डाउट है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, नहीं तो फिर मीटिंग एंड करते हैं। एंड वन मोर थिंग, जिन्होंने टॉपिक को प्रेजेंट किया है फर्स्ट डे और आज, उन्हें ही लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन दिया जाएगा। रोमेश कुमार आ चुके हैं, रोमेश कुमार आप अपने टॉपिक को प्रेजेंट करेंगे। रोमेश कुमार, रोमेश कुमार लास्ट वार्निंग। ठीक है, फिर मीटिंग को यहीं पर एंड करते हैं, आप लोग लीव कर सकते हैं, थैंक यू।
यस सर।
आप टॉपिक प्रेजेंट करेंगे। डू यू वांट टू प्रेजेंट योर टॉपिक?
फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच।
स्टार्ट करिए।
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rumesh Kumar, and today I am going to speak on the topic freedom of speech, a right or a responsibility. Freedom of speech means the right to express our thoughts, opinion, and ideas fairly without fear. It is granted under Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause A of the Indian Constitution. But this right is not absolute. There are certain reasonable restrictions. We cannot use freedom of speech to spread hate, violence, or false information. For example, we can criticize the government peacefully, but we cannot give speeches that create disturb national security. This balance is important to protect public order and the dignity of others. A famous case is Shriya Singhal versus Union of India, where the Supreme Court said that free speech is important for democracy, but it should be used responsibly. In conclusion, freedom of speech is both a right and a responsibility. It gives us the power to speak, but also remind us to speak with care, respect, and truth. Thank you.
Thank you, Rumesh. Now you can leave the meeting.